So as we can see, this is the packaging. 239 pieces. You can make 25 modules that are on this right now. Well, we can also create more with our imagination. Yeah, there are all the shapes we can create. Okay, so let's start. So first, this is the box, and now let's open it. So when you open it, as you can see, this one has slides out. Now I'll put this away, and as you can see, first there is the instruction manual. We can see the instruction manual. Now these are all particular pieces which have a code word. Like look, this is A15, right? And then when we see here, it will tell us that this piece is this code word, and we can now get that code word using this, and then add that code word to our project. So this is kind of an instruction manual, also slash beginner's guide. So first, let's start from here. So as you can see, these are the A15 as I showed you before. So there are 1, 2, and 3, and 4. There are 4 of these, and now it has a screwdriver and your wrench. So they are both pretty small, as we can see. And now let's start from here. So these are some steps if you want to make a trap or something. Yeah, like at the back of the car. Down there are a few pieces here. But there's this plastic one, there's a small one, there's this, there's a curvy one, triangle one, and there's this big one, and yeah, this fine one. So, and also here, you can see these are all the attachments we can make to connect pieces together. And these are all plastic stuff. Like look, these are tires, and these are some things we can make. Use to make a joint or something. Yeah, they're all plastic stuff. Well, now these are all the nuts and bolts. So we can like put nuts in these and then plug these together, right? So these are the main thing we will need. Now these are also I think for making joints and stuff. Which now these are also some plastic. Well, if you want to make a small arm or something, these are very useful. And these are also again just these, but the the size is a little small. And also I totally forgot these. I think these are like, yeah, these are rubber actually. So I think that if you have a space between that, so you can fill these in. And again also some of these are medium size and some more plastic. So here we also have some more joints. So we have actually got these too. Well, we actually got 2 of these. So now these are all the extra plastic accessories. So actually it opens, I think. So these are all the extra plastic accessories, the steering wheel, and also all the accessories we can add to our project. Okay, so yeah, that's for the unboxing. Now let's check the instruction manual and see which project we want to make. So there's the instruction manual, and let's see. So I think this will be a series, and I will like make 4 projects maybe. Yeah, let's make 4 projects every day. Or maybe 6. Let's make 6 for every day. Let's complete one of this page every day. So first, what should we make? What about this jewelry? Oh, this I can make 2 or 3. So I thought, what about this one? Now this contains 28 pieces. Well, I don't know. It is really hard. So I think when I do this, I might do some stuff for my own. Yeah. So let's start doing this. So there is this. And for the manual, we need to. That here, just like trash. This would go trash. So let's do that first. Now, okay. Okay, as you can see, this, there, and there. No, maybe like that. And attach it here. Oh, I got it. I know what to do. Like that, and now there, and there. So that's it, and now I think what we should do, oh no, take this and just, the smallest one we have. Yeah. Oh, this is not the one I think. Yeah, this one's good. That's the smallest one. So, okay, so now I guess, come on. It does whatever needs to happen. Okay, let's put this out later and do this. So we need this to go there. Okay, so we have attached region with sea turtle. Now I have made this mechanism for the wheels. So the wheels are basically the CH with the, I think it's E3 tube inside, which is attached to G4, and G4 is inside the G2 wheels. So yes, now this mechanism is almost done. So this is the back. Here, as you can see, I have taken A5 with C4. So it creates this mechanism, which I can now easily put here using a screw and so let's just, okay, I really have to do something about this. So now let's get this in here like that, and let's go. So guys, next we will shake the C12, which is right here. Oh, like this. So let's take it and I'll put it here. And so I want to touch this. I'll put it here, and the screws can go. The first screw can go inside here, and also here, like that. And now it got out. So put that in again. There. There. Now we need to do this. Use this bolt in order to. This is the progress that I have done. So now it's time to attach the final item. We are almost there to making our camera. Here we go. And now just put that in the middle, just like that. And now I'm done. This is just a thing watch. And then our cannon is ready. As you can see, there's a front side, well, it is beautiful, and this is the back side. Okay, this is the right side of our cannon. This is the back side and the front side. So you can see it turned out pretty good. So yeah, not too much stuff after that either. Yeah, it looks pretty good. If you guys can see all the whole manual, and if you guys want me to make any of these things, there's a cannon, there's a fighter, there's a Georgian, there's a bicycle, there's another fighter, there's a crocodile, there's a tricycle, there's a bed, there's a train, there's a bumper car, there's a racing car, there's a tricycle, and these are all filled with cool stuff. Like, look, motorcycle, another fighter jet, a slide car, like, look, this is all filled with stuff. Like, look, tank, tricycle, tank, helicopter. So as you can see, this, like, all of these stuff. So whatever you guys want is this. 121 pieces. That's the biggest project we will make. And there are all of these items. Whichever you want, you can take a screenshot it or send me the name. And if you want to buy this such, then you can contact me. You can either contact me on email or all the contacting. All the ways you can contact me are in the description below. As you can see, this is a pretty nice kit. We even have some tools. And yeah, we will give you on a very fair price. And guys, if you want to buy this kit, then you can contact me at my email. And all the contact links and numbers are provided in the description below. So be sure to check it out.